Hello everyone, welcome to Cycle Sanity, today's rock star. We have here Nicole. She is an absolute rock star for so many reasons. One, she just got done doing her first half marathon. That is definitely rock star status. Two, she's awesome. I like her. Let's ask her. What has fitness done for you? How do you feel? Just let the world know how you feel.
Best way to start your week is with Cycle Sanity, baby. No pain, no sexy. Woo!
Did you say no pain, no sexy?
No pain, no sexy.
Say that again.
No pain, no sexy, baby.
And what has fitness done for you, Nicole?
Fitness has made me better mentally, physically. It balances. It is the way to start your day. I love it.
No pain, no sexy. Another Cycle Sanity moment.
No sexy.
And I have
We
the
love
honor.
Jillian.
And I love you.